Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to extend picture background in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to create a document with transparent background and then drag the photo you want to edit with. Now click enter. Then after that, hold the Ctrl and select the layer. And then after that, click on your keyboard the Ctrl, Shift, and I. Now go to select and then click the modify and select the expand. Now click OK. Now after that, make sure to rasterize the layer. Now after that, go to edit and then fill. Now make sure that it is content aware and then color adaptation and wait for it to load. Now after that, click Ctrl D and then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.